Hello, touch the lay to everyone. Welcome back, learning basic Tibetan language grammar. Today we are in part 20. Okay, let's start. So today we are going to learn ngunjuk nga, 5 prefix letter, which are ka, ta, pa, ma, a. So these 5 letters are called ngunjuk nga. So why is called ngunjuk? Meaning is, for example, ngunjuk meaning is that the letter, whatever the letter that follow before the main letter or root letter are called ngunjuk. So how many letters are there? 5. Ka, ta, pa, ma, a. Only these 5 letters follow or go before the main letter and root letter. For example, look at here example. This is the main one, and now ka is ngunju. So that is how it called ngunjuk. So how many letters there? 5. That's why I think nga, langata nga, ngunjuk nga. So how we have to pronounce this ngunjuk nga when we read one by one? Kao. If there is a ka, it should be pronounced kao. If there is ta, tao. If there is pa, pao. If there is ma, mao. If there is ha, hao. So that is the how we should pronounce. Reading one by one. Kao sanaru so wa sowa. Sowa meaning is to raise. So if you have kids, you raise kids. If you have a cat, you raise cat. If you have a dog, you raise dog, whatever. So and next, another meaning is like cure or heal. You know, if you have wounded anything, that is called cure and heal. Okay, that is also different meaning. It's the same spelling. Okay, now check it out here. Here you can see 30 consonants. So out of 30 consonants, how many letters become a ngunjuk nga or 5 prefix letter? Ka, ta, pa, ma, aha. So only these 5 letters become a ngunju nga out of 30 consonants. So this is very good to keep in our mind. Okay. So here example is kau sanaro so wa sowa. Always trying to remember this ngunjuk nga, jinjuk ju are very useful. Okay, let's start here. So now you can see here jinjuk chu, 10 suffix letter, which are we already learned, but also we have to learning continue. Okay, so today we are going to learning example is ngunjuk nga, 5 prefix letter ka, ta, pa, ma, a. Okay, look at the example. Here you can see this one is the main letter and root letter. Anything that letter go before the main letter and root letter is ngunjuk. Okay, that's why is ka is here. And of course this one is jinjuk. So I put that just same color, ngunjuk, and this one is same color, so that way easy to remember. Okay, and so how we have to pronounce is kao cha kigu chi ka chik pa shab jupu chikpu. So what is the meaning of chikpu? Meaning is alone or single. Okay, chikpu, chikpu. Next one, kao ta naro tora tor ma, torma. Torma meaning is, of course here also torma, but meaning is dough offerings of various shape or color. Of course they're all kind of shape. So you can see here a beautiful shape and beautiful decoration. So this is called torma, torma. Next one, kao da shabju dunga tungma, tungma, tungma meaning is beam, beam, tungma, tungma. Next one, kao ta naro tonga tong pa, Dongpa. Dongpa meaning is face. Dongpa. Dongpa. Next one. Cha shabju chu gao za nga zang ma. Chu zang ma. Chu zang ma meaning is clean water. Clean is zang ma. Chu is water. So we have learned previously chu, water, okay? Clean water. Chu zang ma. Next one. Gao ya ka yak. Yak. Yak is a very unique animal. That animal only exists in Himalaya and in, of course, in Tibet and in very high places in Himalaya, and this called yak. Yak. Next one. Gao ya naru yo ka yok. Pa naru po. Yok po. Yok po meaning is servant. Yok po. Yok po. Next one. Gao sa shabju sura sur. Sur. Sur meaning is offering. So you can see here like barley flour and then all kind of grain that is offered called is sur, and of course here is a description so you can read so to be able to understand little about the sur. Sur. Next one. Ka la ta la dingbo le na len pa len pa. Gao sa shabju su ma sum. Lempa sum. So here we have joined many vocabulary. So to be able to recognize, so Jinjuk, Munjuk are just match the color, okay? So that's why not to confuse. Please keep in mind. So what is the meaning of Lempa sum? Meaning is 3 idiots or 3 stupid. So this is 3 idiots is one of the Indian movie. So that help to understand the meaning of sum. Meaning is 3 and lempa is idiot or stupid. Okay, so that's all for today, and today we learn ngunjuk. Okay, ngunjuk nga, and then we learn the example of ka example. Okay, then we will learn next ngunjuk ta. Okay, and I will see you in next video, and take care and bye bye.